Hi everyone, this is Shamim Hossain from Bangladesh, and today I am excited to introduce you to my CS50W final project, the Textile-Lab Report Builder. What makes Textile-Lab unique is its laser focus on the textile industry. It's a web app that simplifies the generation of comprehensive lab test report. Now, let's dive into some of its key features. Textile-Specific Parameters. Our application is tailored to capture and report on textile-specific parameters like tear strength, tensile strength, and color sources to rubbing. Comprehensive reports. Textile-Lab goes beyond basic Excel data entry. It provides detailed insights into textile characteristics essential for quality control and analysis. Auto-generate results. With the auto-generate results feature, Textile-Lab automatically determines for pass or fail status using a handy util function. PDF report generation and download. Our system compiles test report data into a detailed PDF report. With just a click, you can download and save it to your local machine. Role-based access. For added security, we have included different user roles: superuser, staff, and normal user, each with distinct permissions to ensure secure and access control. User-friendly, responsive interface. The user interface is designed to be intuitive, ensuring easy data input without a steep learning curve. We prioritize usability for a seamless user experience, and also our web application is mobile responsive. User management and authentication. Textile-Lab also offers robust user management and authentication features. Login and registration. Get started by registering with Textile-Lab. Already a user? Simply log in to access your account and start creating detailed test report. Manage users. For our super users, take full control with the ability to add, edit, or remove users. Managing your team has never been easier. Change password. Logged-in user can change their password if necessary. So finally, let me show you the process of creating buyer requirements and reports step by step. Create buyer. At the beginning, create a buyer profile. It's the first step in our structured workflow. Enter buyer name and click Save. Create requirement. Specify buyer requirements for testing. This step ensures the testing process aligns with the buyer's expectation, including preferred method and passing requirement. Create report. With the buyer and their testing requirements defined, creating a test report entry becomes a breeze. Each step builds upon the previous one, creating a seamless and efficient experience for users. So, that's a quick overview of Textile-Lab, the ultimate solution for textile testing reports. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.